Hi everyone, welcome back to another macrame tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how we're going to make this snake knot keychain. So I'm going to be using my macrame board and I have two pieces of macrame cord. You can make this with one colour or you can make it with multiple colour. So I'm going to do pink and grey today. And I have cut these to be 55 inches long. I'm also just using a small keyring clasp and I'm going to secure that to this macrame board with the pins. Take the two strands of macrame cord and thread them through the keyring clasp or whatever you're using to make yours, and then we're just going to pull them through, and I am going to make the cords at the front slightly shorter than the cords at the side that I'm going to be working with. When I'm happy with the length, I'm just going to secure that onto my board to give me a bit of stability while we make the snake knot keychain. The front shorter cords I'm just going to secure in the bottom of my macrame board, and that's going to keep them nice and firm and nice and sturdy. And then I'm just going to use a fabric clip just to clip the cord at the top, just to hold it in place whilst we tie our first snake knot. So now we're ready to go. Taking the pink cord, we're going to make a loop over the top and push it underneath all the grey cords. And there we've now formed a loop. Now taking the grey cord, we're now going to push that also underneath all the cords and pull it out at the back. Then we're going to bring that over and put the cord through the hoop that we've just made with the pink cord, and we're going to pull that tight, and that is going to make our first snake knot, and that's going to allow us to remove the material clip because that's now going to secure the cords like that. So make that nice and tight, and then they're nicely secured. Then now we're going to repeat that again. So take the pink cord, put it underneath and through the back. Then take the grey cord and also push that upwards through the back under all the other cords. Then bring it over the front of the cords and through the pink loop that we've made, and then pull those together, and that's going to form our second snake knot. And then we're just going to keep repeating this now until we have 10 or 12 snake knots. The choice is yours. I'm just going to do 10 because I think that makes a nice length keychain, and we can see now that's forming a nice row of snake knots. Now we've completed all our snake knots, we can remove the keychain from the board. To finish off my keychain, I'm just going to leave some cord at the bottom and I'm just going to tie some knots. To make the knots, take a strand of the cord and make a loop, and then I'm going to put the cord behind the loop and I'm going to wrap it round 2 times. So I'm going to wrap it around all of the cords once and all of the cords again. So it's now looking like that. Then the cord that I have left, I'm going to put through the loop, and then I'm just going to pull both pieces of cord, and that's going to form a knot. So make a loop with the cord, put it behind the cords, wrap it round 2 times, and then bring it over the front and put the cord through the loop and pull both pieces of cord to form a knot. Now we're going to do it with the pink cord, and I'm just going to do the same process again. Once you've made a knot in all 4 pieces of cord, we can trim off the excess cords that we no longer need, and now you have successfully completed your macrame snake keychain. I really hope you enjoyed this macrame tutorial today. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.